Let's just look at a overview of where we've been. We have completed 7 modules, right? The first one was an overview of the learning theory and the history. Then module 2 was all about transformational teaching. Module 3 was attributes, and this is a really, really important subject: graduate attributes, employable capabilities, and how what the people who are the business leaders, who they're hiring and why. And module 4 was all about motivation. How do we keep the learners motivated? Module 5 was all about the Bloom's decisions. Module 6 was how do we measure, or what criteria can we use to get a good app? And module 7 was the SAMA model. Now, let's just do a quick workshop review, and that will be our workshop. We've got to answer the tough questions again, but these are the questions. All this is the whole workshop. For every teaching practice you want to use with learners, seek honest answers to: am I using graduate profiles effectively? If you keep going back with your students with that profile, saying how we're doing, you will find they will be developing the soft skills necessary to make an impact. How am I building a learning culture that nurtures motivation? We've got to nurture motivation using autonomy, mastery, purpose, and relatedness. Am I writing effective learning outcomes using Bloom's? Are my app choices serving the pedagogy? Is my designing of learning activities effectively using SAMA? Have I considered developing learning activities with app smashing, that is learning sequences, to redefine tasks? One more thing I ask you to do, and I'm asking the facilitators to do, is please set up a workshop evaluation feedback system. I use Socrative, and but you can use anything you like. Can you please give me as much information back on this so that we can improve future versions of it? The workshop reached its learning outcomes. Agree, strongly agree, disagree, etc. Overall, you rate the quality of this workshop as, then give me things, what you like most, you like least. How do you think we can improve it? What questions would you like answered? That's it from me. Go out and make a difference.